Alright guys, this is another little McDonald's Happy Meal toy. This one is the register. Let's open it. Well, it's just a little plastic register. Aye, but it's based on a real register. Hey, look, it's got a little EFTPOS machine. A little screen here. It's like Mr. Krabs' register. The cash register. But it's just a little plastic one. Like the little plastic treasure chest that was based on a real treasure chest. Hey, look, it actually moves. It's a functioning screen. I mean, it's a movable screen. Well, that was not too bad. We've got the drive-through, the phone, the drink dispenser. And also the fries and the nuggets. Wait, hold on. It comes with these stickers. Comes with a hat and a microphone. An EFTPOS card. No. A manager card. Is that a name tag? And then we got these notes. But where would you stick those? I mean, I don't know. What these stickers, I don't know what, like, what are you meant to do with this? Must be some kind of game on here. QR code. Just a reminder, these are the ones to collect. So, the playground, a meal, I believe that's the grill and that's the rubbish bin, or the other way around, I don't know. Golden Happy Meal with the building, the delivery truck, and the Happy Meal toy display case. And this bag. That one's actually pretty cool, I've seen that one. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.